Quality by design is a systematic, science-based approach recommended by regulatory agencies like the FDA and ICH. Instead of relying only on final product testing, QbD focuses on designing quality into the product from the beginning. Let's explore the key steps. Step 1. Define the quality target product profile. Everything starts with the Quality Target Product Profile, or QTPP. This document defines the desired characteristics of the final product, such as dosage form, strength, route of administration, dissolution profile, stability, therapeutic performance. The QTPP serves as the foundation for the entire development process. Step 2. Identify critical quality attributes. Next, identify the critical quality attributes, or CQAs. These are the physical, chemical, biological, or microbiological properties that must remain within predefined limits to ensure product quality, safety, and efficacy. Examples include assay, content uniformity, dissolution, impurity levels. Step 3. Perform risk assessment. Now evaluate which formulation variables and process parameters can affect the CQAs. Common risk assessment tools include Ishikawa, Fishbone, Diagram Failure Mode, and Effects Analysis, FMEA, risk ranking and filtering. The objective is to identify the factors that have the greatest impact on product quality. Step 4. Identify CMAs and CPPs. Based on the risk assessment, determine critical material attributes, CMAs, such as API particle size, excipient grade, moisture content, and critical process parameters, CPPs, such as mixing time, granulation speed, compression force, drying temperature. These factors require careful monitoring and control. Step 5. Apply design of experiments. Instead of changing one factor at a time, use design of experiments, or DoE, to study multiple variables simultaneously. DoE helps you understand interactions between variables, optimize formulation and process parameters, build predictive mathematical models, reduce development time and experimental cost. Step 6. Establish the design space. Using the experimental results, establish the design space. The design space is the multidimensional range of material attributes and process parameters that consistently produces products meeting all quality requirements. Operating within this space ensures robust manufacturing performance. Step 7. Develop the control strategy. Finally, create a comprehensive control strategy. This includes raw material specifications, in-process controls, finished product testing, process monitoring, continuous verification throughout the product lifecycle. A strong control strategy helps maintain consistent product quality during commercial manufacturing. Following this structured approach helps develop robust pharmaceutical formulations, reduces development risks, and supports regulatory compliance. If you'd like to master QbD with practical examples, case studies, and design of experiments, check out the QbD Fundamentals for Pharmaceutical Development and DoE Application in Formulation Development courses from Pharma Lesson Masterclass. The courses links are available in the video description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your colleagues.